Yo, what is going on everyone? Earn with Todd here, and in this video I'm going to tell you what Benjamin's secret for traders is. And you know what? Benjamin Franklin once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. And that's exactly why I've invested in books such as Naked Forex. This is one of my favorite books because my favorite trading strategy comes straight from this book. I paid like 40 bucks for it. And recently I just bought another book called Come Into My Trading Room. And just like Benjamin Franklin said, knowledge does pay the best interest. So you got to realize that as a trader, there might be missing pieces of information that you need to learn that is going to help you become a better trader, because another thing that Benjamin Franklin said is beware of little expenses, because a small leak will sink a great ship. And the strategy that you are going to learn about in this video is called the Kangaroo Tails strategy. I first heard about the Kangaroo Tails in this book, Naked Forex, and then this book, Come Into My Trading Room. This also talks about Kangaroo Tails, so I picked up both of those books, and I built a completely free website called kangaroohunter.com. What I learned from the investment of both of these books has been directly put into that website, where I have a 100% free video course. There's no upsells, okay? There's no credit card forms on my website. I have a free 28-minute video on how to trade Kangaroo Tails step by step. But fortunately for you, you do not have to go out and buy these books, but I do have the links for both of these books down in the video description. So make sure to check out the video description so you can create your free kangaroohunter.com account. But enough of this intro, let's go ahead and jump into highlights so you can see the Kangaroo Tails strategy in action. So stay tuned. So in the following video highlights, I'm going to go over 3 different trades that I entered using the Kangaroo Tail strategy. And if you're not familiar, a Kangaroo Tail is just a simple 1 candle price action strategy. And once you see a couple examples, you'll get the idea of how they are supposed to work. But here we have a highlight of some trades from this morning on June 18th, 2020. The markets were absolutely crazy this morning. And these clips are going to be from my Twitch live stream. I go live every single weekday at 6:30 a.m. Pacific, New York Stock Exchange Open, and I stay on until around 8:30 a.m. Pacific. It's completely free if you're wondering, so check out that link down in the video description so you can tune in to those streams. But here we started the morning off looking at DAX 30, which is German 30. It's an indice if you do not trade it, and it gets mad pips, okay? It's one of Benjamin's secrets. So we're gonna let some of these clips roll and let's see how these kangaroos do. Oh, DAX 30 just hit the zone. I might sell DAX though. It hit that zone, smash that TP. Might be a good time to sell it down though. It's been in the downtrend. I'm gonna sell DAX. We'll go down here for the TP. The second one. Second zone will be the TP if DAX wants to keep following that downtrend. So now I'm going to fast forward this clip and we're gonna check it out. And I was also in a couple other trades. I was in a buy on US30 and I was in a sell on S&P 500. Both of those trades hit a small stop loss, but let's see how DAX 30 did. And here we can see that the trade is developing nicely. The idea behind Kangaroo Tails is we want to catch the reversals. So what you see right here is called a bearish Kangaroo Tail, and down here is actually a bullish Kangaroo Tail. So when this Kangaroo Tail printed, price went up, and this is when I entered my sell after the bearish Kangaroo Tail printed. And here we'll see that DAX 30 starts picking up steam. We're up 110 pips now. That's good enough for break even. I'm going to set break even on DAX. We're break even on DAX. Here's that Dow Jones trade. And as you see, we lost that trade, but we were still in the DAX trade. And here I was just moving stops down, of course, protect those profits. Woo! We're going to secure. We're trailing this shit down. We're going to move. So here, we're up 358 pips, and I'm just trying to trail it down as much as I can. We're going to trail this. Can it go? Can it keep breaking down that next zone? We're going halfway. We're up 400 pips. There we go. So our stop loss was hit right there, and we bagged 300 plus pips just like that. And then this is going to be crazy because a couple candles later after this printed, you're going to see a bullish Kangaroo Tail down here. By the way, this is trading on the 1 minute time frame, and it doesn't matter what time frames you trade Kangaroo Tails on, they're going to work. But I find it's best to trade on the 1 minute and 5 minute candles if you are trading on the indices, because you can catch hundreds of pips within minutes. Okay, you're not having to wait days like Forex pairs. Your trade is over within minutes when you're trading indices, and the stop losses are not that bad. All right, what do we hear? A confirmed buy on DAX? See, do we buy DAX? I'll go light on the lot. I'll do one and we'll try to ride it back up. I'm gonna buy DAX right now and we're gonna try to ride this shit back up. Yep, I'm lowering risk right now. So here we entered the buy on the bullish Kangaroo Tail, and price starts going in our direction immediately, so I'm moving stops up as price goes up. We're going to protect it if it goes against us right away. I'm going to move stops again. We're already up 100 pips just like that. Holy fuck, I'm break even. And right there, within 2 minutes, we're up 200 pips already and we have a break-even trade. So if you want to have the chance to catch hundreds of pips within minutes, make sure you tune into those live Twitch streams. Completely free. Go ahead, just jump into them, and hopefully you can watch us bag some trades live. Come on now. And there was a buy on US30. I missed it. And right here, we're almost approaching 300 pips, and I'm about to move some stops up. We're going to protect. Since it went up this way, we're going to protect some profits right away. Fucking crazy today. Some of you probably missed the DAX trade, but I'm securing up here right away. Like, I'm not giving anything back to the market today. So shortly after this video stopped, price did smash the stop loss here, and we bagged around 150 pips on that. And of course, right after that, price continued to go up all the way to this zone. So we did miss out some pips, but hey, we can't complain about getting that many pips within just 2 minutes. And now we are going to check out a trade on US30. Again, it is on the 1 minute chart, but you'll see this time we used a philosophy of looking at the stocks on US30, and you'll see it was actually a Microsoft Kangaroo Tail that got us in on the sell for US30. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, you got a Kangaroo on Microsoft. That's a sell. Check PayPal. Well, wait a minute. Microsoft is on US30. It could be a sell signal on US30, but it was going up. So you got to remember, if you like to trade US30, think of US30 as basically like a body, but then think of the stocks as the blood flow moving through that body. By watching the stocks, you can find entries on US30 when you actually do not see Kangaroo Tails on US30. But if you do see Kangaroo Tails on the stocks that are on US30, remember, those stocks drive US30 down and all the other indices, so you got to be paying attention to them. We could sell US30 right here. What do y'all think? Do we sell US30 because of the Microsoft Kangaroo? I'll take a shot at it. Let's try it. I went light on the lot. See if Microsoft causes US30 to drop right here. Also, looking at it now, it's not a very good Kangaroo, okay? It is not a very good Kangaroo. So after I was in the sell, I took a second look and I realized that was actually not a very good Kangaroo Tail. But anyways, let's see what happened. So I might just close this shit earlier. I'll set break even though. And here I was just looking at some other stocks because Home Depot is on US30. And when Home Depot printed a Kangaroo up here, US30 also went down. But in this part of the trade, we were up about 262 pips. But a couple minutes later, this happened. Suddenly, we are up 400 pips on US30 trade. Let's fucking go. Very nice. Hopefully we smash down here and we break a record for pip-wise closed. We're up 500 pips right now. I gotta pause the music in case we get some good clips. I don't want to like mute out some good audio if this breaks out of this zone right here. But this might be the first 1,000 pips I've traded live on stream if it keeps going. So remember, we already closed about 500 pips on this video highlight. This was the same exact morning. Yeah, it's gonna be hard for it to drop through this support right here, definitely. We might want to bag up. I'll secure right here. I'll secure 432 pips. Just because we are on this heavy support, it's gotta fall through here hard. But if it does fall through this support, we are going down hard. I'm out though. Got 432 pips on that. So, we closed over 900 pips while on the live stream, trading these Kangaroo Tails. And I gotta say, it was quite the crazy morning. It was basically like a petting zoo. There were kangaroos everywhere. Even as soon as I got off my live stream, there were kangaroos popping up everywhere. So everyone, with that said, this is all I have for you in today's video. If you enjoyed this video, you already know the role. Give me a thumbs up on this video, drop a comment if you got any questions, and make sure to check out all of the links down in the video description, because there you will find those books that I showed in the beginning of this video, Naked Forex, and Come Into My Trading Room. Go ahead, check out those Amazon links, and do not forget to create an account on kangaroohunter.com so you can dive into that 28-minute Kangaroo Tail Trading School video. You will enjoy that video, I guarantee it. You'll see how simple it is to trade Kangaroo Tails once you fully understand how they work and what rules need to be followed if you're going to be trading them. But hey, with that said, Earn with Todd is signing off of this video. Have a great rest of the day.